to day 2 of Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's video. That was a little bit of a struggle. Downloading it and like uploading it was not wanting to cooperate, but we got it. Today's agenda, what did I say we're doing, Kayla? Oh, we gotta finish decorating the tree, decorating the house. We're gonna get a couple more Christmas trees. But I gotta show you guys what I got from Bryant because they sent me a gift box and I really wasn't expecting. I thought it was just some clothes, and they sent some cute items I gotta show you guys. Okay, so first I saw these. Well, they sent me this cute little like box that was filled with goodies, and these earrings I just absolutely just love. They're like snowflake earrings and they have like rhinestones. So yeah, that is definitely speaking my language right there. I cannot wait to wear these. So then they also sent me this cookie like recipe book. I'm that mom, we're that family that like Christmas, we live for Christmas like all year. That's the biggest thing that we celebrate. We do like gingerbread houses and like s'mores things. So I feel like this is so perfect because this gives us something to like look forward to, like putting together some Christmas cookies. So I'm really excited about that. And then they sent these two what are they, hot chocolate bombs that look like snowmen, which I was like, okay, this is so perfect. I can't wait because I love hot chocolate and I love hot chocolate bombs. Y'all, this mug is so cute, and I drink coffee almost every day. I'm trying to switch over to like drinking more tea instead of coffee, but I'm a coffee girl. And this mug is just so perfect for Christmas. I love it. And then it says good tidings from NYC on the inside. It says it on the inside. So I just really thought that was so cute. And then of course they sent me some clothes. They sent a gift card too, which I'm like, ooh, okay, period. Okay, so first I love this puffer jacket that they sent over. And I'm wearing a set from Amazon that I got. But yeah, this puffer jacket, I like because it's like not super thick. I don't really want to like feel like I'm just, you know, super big with the puffer jacket. So I do like that. It's a little bit on the lightweight side. Ooh, and it feels good. Of course I have to lift it up over my butt first before I can zip it up and then pull it back over my, and it feels so good over my butt. Y'all, this is so cute. What you think, Kayla? Perfect. And it has the hood. The pikers have like a fleece on the inside, so that makes it to where your hands stay warm with all this polyester or whatever it is. But yeah, okay, that's so cute. Let me show you what else they sent. This is really cute. I thought it was a sweatshirt at first, but it's not. It's just a little t-shirt material, and I like because it kind of has where it dips around the hem, but it's so cute. It says let it snow, and it has the little snowflake on it, and this one has a hood on it too. It's not for warmth, but it's just for the vibe. It's just to be cute and cozy. I feel like this is perfect for around the house or just, you know, shopping, doing your Christmas shopping, things like that. So yeah, this is super cute. I love this. Y'all, the girls are here, as you can hear, and they are feral. I can't speak to that. But what I will say is I did find another tree skirt at Target. And then I couldn't find the garland that I was looking for and at home. But then I ended up finding this one at Walmart. I don't know where it was the first time. It's gonna be a little bit chaotic. But this garland looks literally just like my tree. So like it matches with the tree because it's got the same like snow on it, and I needed a garland for the railing but also for the fireplace go across the mantle. So I think I'm gonna put this one across the mantle, and then I ended up with a white garland that I'm gonna put on the railing for the stairs. It's got these pretty like lines, I guess, kind of like, I don't know, stripes with like velvet. So it's kind of like an off-white, and then I love to put like fur on the tree as well. Hopefully that's not too bright. But we actually ended up buying a couple of other things. I got 2 extra trees, 6 foot and like a 4 foot tree from Dollar General. They were like 20. Yeah, it was like $20, a white one. So, so we got that. I did find a few more things at Walmart also. out for a second and figure out how do I actually like do the ribbons, because it seems like it's just, I don't know, it wasn't giving what I needed to give. So we got it, we figured it out. We're gonna tuck them. I completely forgot about getting all the Christmas cookies and Christmassy stuff. So thankfully the girls went to go grab some stuff for us to bake some cookies and enjoy some eggnog. Because how can you decorate without eggnog? I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, we got some eggnog and some goodies and it was so good.
No, I said, what is that?
How you want to sit? Oh but you don't even know about that. If you knew about it, you would have understood that I was going to get it right.
It's a little crooked.
Not the star?
Oh, the star a little crooked.
Man, the star crooked?
I would plug it.
Man, is the star
No, it don't look crooked to me.
I would just plug it.
Is it crooked to y'all? Say what? We finally finished all the decorating for the most part. This is the tree. I really love how the tree turned out. This is probably my favorite tree that I have decorated in a long time, if ever. I love all the ribbons and just the big ornaments and everything just to make it look so nice and full. And I only added a little bit of black compared to what I normally do with the balls, the ornaments that have the words on it, and then the black tree skirt. So, but overall it's, you know, mostly a white Christmas tree and it has the touch of gold. But I absolutely love how this turned out. You guys will have to let me know what you think. It's definitely given designer in my opinion, at least, and I'm just really happy to have this and these little reindeer extras. That was just the icing on the cake for me. So I'm really in love with this part. And then I did go ahead and finish decorating around the mantelpiece. I'm missing one of my stocking holders, but that's okay. And these turned out so cute with the little lighted trees. But yes, I added the ribbons and the ornaments and the lights to that garland that had the snow. And I really like the vibes that this was given, especially again right there at the fireplace. And then I did also go ahead and set the table. I've had this little centerpiece for a while, and that's just something I added to the new table set that I picked up from Marshall's Home Goods. So this is how it turned out with the napkin holders and or the napkin rings and the napkins. And I really was happy with this tablescape for this year. Nice and simple, just a little something to add to the table. Hopefully I can keep it clean. That's the main thing I'm worried about with the kids. And then this is the little 4-foot tree. This one was, I think, $15. It was already pre-lit. I did go ahead and add some ornaments to the railing, but I do plan to go get some additional white lights and add ribbon to this. So I do have a couple things to add to this just to complete the final look on the railing, and I'll probably have to pick that up tomorrow. And then this is the tree, the 6-foot white tree. Y'all, this tree was definitely given Charlie Brown Christmas tree because it just was so sparse. So I really had to work on this one and, you know, put a lot of different things, and ended up going with the snowman theme for this tree because we had the snowman before. I just didn't really know where to include it in those black and white balls from or ornaments from last year and previous years. I figured this was the perfect place to still incorporate those, and I really like how it turned out. It's kind of by the door, and I'm finally happy to have a few trees. So hope you guys enjoyed.